What's up, everybody? Today we have the first Cybertruck in the country at our shop. Check it out.
Apparently each Target store only got 5, so I scored 3 this morning, and
You got 3 of them?
I got 3 this morning. So.
All right, in all seriousness, this video we're gonna be installing a couple different things on the Tesla. If you've been watching, we got the Tesla, we've protected it, we have paint protection film, ceramic coating, I got new winter wheels on it. It's time to do some more upgrades, and we're gonna be installing a tilt screen.
I got 2 products here. Number one, we got the tilt screen, which basically takes the center display, angles it, and allows you to actually turn it towards the driver and also towards the passenger. And then we've also got a matte glass screen protector today from Abstract Ocean, which we're gonna install. Just basically helps to eliminate glare, fingerprints, stuff like that. So we're gonna do the install and then kind of just do just the before and after, a couple pics.
Yeah.
So you can see the difference. We're not gonna do a full install video. There's lots of those out there right now. So just like a before and after kind of thing.
Let's get started. All right, so Adam is a customer of ours, and you came in last week with your Tesla and you had this tilt screen. I've never seen that before, and I was like, what is this? I want it in mine. And now we're here and we have this product, and this is from Tech Forum, correct?
Correct. Yep.
And this is just like a solid piece of, this is what it is. We just installed this.
Yeah, Matt from Tech Forum was nice enough to give us one of these here to test out in Jason's car here. Matt's a local guy actually up in Crystal Lake, and he designed this and has it manufactured. It's just made out of a solid piece of billet aluminum, and what you do is you take the factory screen mount out, install this, and it allows you to tilt and pivot it to the driver or the passenger. So we're going to install that today.
I thought it'd be a lot more, but it's just this, a couple of bolts, and this is a cover that goes on it, right?
Yep. It's a cover that goes on it, and then he's got a couple 3D printed items here for the interior climate control sensor that's in the bottom there, which we'll show you later.
Sweet. And then we have a matte screen protector. I didn't even think about, I mean, obviously I have a screen protector on my phone, but I didn't think about even putting a screen protector on it.
Yeah, with the Teslas, I mean, as you know, everything is controlled by that center screen. It's a fingerprint magnet.
Yeah.
You want to protect it, and also due to the fact that it is so big, you got a lot of glare from the sun, and going with the matte screen protector really helps eliminate all that. So we're going to install that too today. And
if you want to put these on your own Tesla, I'll put all the links down there, click them. We even got like a 10% off.
Yep, so if you go on Tech Forum's website, which we're gonna put at the bottom there, their Shopify page, this promo is a Chicago 10 with no spaces. You'll get 10 bucks off.
Sweet. What tools do we need? Where do we start?
Well, I've got all the tools actually just laid over here. Just a couple, just minor tools you need, a socket set, a screwdriver, a couple other things.
Installing the swivel tilt screen was really easy. The screen is removable with just a few bolts. It took me and Adam about 30 minutes from start to finish for everything to be installed. And again, down in the description below, I have a link for a step-by-step instruction video on how to install it yourself.
Working with baby tools. What is this, a wrench for ants?
Now keep in mind, this looks pretty ugly right now, but you're not gonna see any of this. It's basically just the hardware that you're using to be able to do it. Even though it's a nice quality piece, you're still, it looks ugly.
So this will make it tilt side to side. It's not gonna tilt up and down though.
No, so the factory, it's actually gonna lower the screen about I'd say about 3/4 of an inch and actually give it a little bit of a back tilt. but it doesn't allow it to swivel up and down. It's just a right and left tilt.
Okay. Will it be closer to me?
It's going to be a little bit closer to you. You'll see. I mean, your leg's not going to be in the way, nothing like that. But you'll see how it actually pulls a little bit forward to you, so that you're not reaching to the edge of the screen. You can literally just keep your hand here on the armrest and you know, adjust the radio, or it's just a much more user-friendly design. Now the top bolt up here actually has a Teflon washer underneath here, so when the screen is installed, it actually provides tension so the screen isn't loose. If you want to tighten this up and make it really difficult to turn, you can. Right now it's set for a preset tension to move it back and forth, and it locks in position. It looks really like we're moving it pretty simple on camera, but I mean, it actually does take some force.
Oh yeah.
Tuck all that in nice. So you don't see any of that to begin with. You know, even the passenger, when it's like this, I mean, the passenger doesn't see anything behind there unless you're physically looking for it.
Maybe when they're getting into the car, but...
Yeah. You know, it is black, it all blends in.
It does. That's awesome, I love it. All right, screen protector time, right?
So yeah, next step is here, what we're gonna do, get all the fingerprints off of this screen. You can see how nasty that screen is right now. Even though the car's only got, you know, whatever, it's got 1,000 miles on it.
Less than 1,000.
We're gonna save all the hardware and pieces from the original kit here.
Perfect. All right, there it is. She tilts, she works. That's awesome. Now my passengers can watch Chicago Auto Pros YouTube channel.
That's right.
Appreciate it. Thank you. You guys can find everything that we use in this video in the description down below, and then they got the $10 off that they can use too.
So thanks to Matt from Tech Forum to sending us the screen mount tilt kit, and also to Abstract Ocean. I guess we're gonna post both the links in there with the promo code for Tech Forum.
And thank you for helping me get everything put together.
Glad you like it.
All right, guys, check out the description below. And as always, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. See you later.